Welcome back to Next Gen David AI. If you've been dreaming of making pro-level videos, stunning images, and even adding realistic sound effects without spending a single dollar, you're going to love the tool I'm about to show you. Today, I'm walking you through ToMoviee AI, an all-in-one platform built for creators. In just a few minutes, you can turn a few lines of text into jaw-dropping images, transform a single still photo into a smooth cinematic video, and create custom sound effects that perfectly match your content.
If you love AI tools that save you time and help you create content faster, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and tap the bell icon so you never miss a new tutorial. And make sure you stick around till the end, because I've got a bonus feature to reveal that's seriously impressive. First things first, go ahead and open the link down in the video description. That link takes you straight to ToMovie AI. Click Sign Up and create your account with Gmail, or really any email you like. I'm using my Google account because it's the quickest. And here's the best part. When you sign up for the very first time, ToMovie gives you 130 free credits, enough to create about 6 videos plus a bunch of images, so you can play around and test everything out without spending a dime. I've already used up 50 credits, so now I only have 80 left. Start with text to image. After you log in, look at the menu on the left and click Image Generation. By default, you'll already be in the Text to Image tab. This box right here is where you type your prompt, basically a short description of what you want to create. If you're not used to writing prompts yet, just click Creative Assistant and it'll help polish your description. Once you're happy with it, hit Use Prompt Next. Choose your aspect ratio. I usually go with 16:9 for a nice wide image. Pick how many images you want. My tip is to choose 4 images, so you'll have more options. Then select a generation mode. Turbo if you want speed, or Pro for sharper, more detailed images, especially great for portraits. Once everything is set, click Generate, and wait just a few seconds. And here's the result. What do you think of the picture? I think it looks pretty good. The prompt I entered earlier was, a cute Asian girl walking on a wooden path through a field of flowers, with bees and butterflies flying around. The result matches perfectly. The background, the details, the overall style. You can download it right away, or save it into My Assets to turn it into a video later. Now let's move on to the advanced feature. Still inside image generation, switch over to Reference to Images. You'll see 3 options: Character, Object, and Pose. Character keeps the face, changes the details. Upload a base photo, and ToMovie will keep the face exactly the same, but change the details according to your new prompt. I uploaded a photo of a male model and typed, the guy is wearing a white t-shirt and sunglasses, with a natural style and lighting. Then, I set the aspect ratio to 16:9, chose 4 images, and hit Generate. In just a few seconds, ToMovie created multiple new versions. The face is exactly the same. See that? He's now wearing different clothes and rocking those sunglasses. Super realistic. This is perfect whenever you need to keep the same character but want to change the outfit or background. Object. Keep the character, change the background. This option keeps the character exactly the same, but completely changes the background. I reused the same photo of the guy and typed, handsome guy standing on a beautiful beach, white sand, golden sunlight, natural lighting. The results came back with multiple brand new scenes, exactly as I described. Bright beach, natural sunlight, and all. The character stays identical, only the scenery changes. Super handy when you need to place the same character into different backgrounds. Pose. Keep the pose, change the character. Now, this one is where it really gets fun. Pose lets you keep the exact body position and apply it to a completely different character or scene. I uploaded a photo of a girl striking a pose on a city street and let ToMovie automatically detect her pose. Then, I asked it to generate an image of a man instead, just to make it a bit more challenging and see how the tool analyzes and processes the pose. Prompt. A handsome man standing in a modern city street at night with tall buildings lit up. And here's the result. I'm honestly a bit amazed. Out of the 4 images, only 1 has a slightly awkward hand, but the other 3 look fantastic. This feature is perfect for creating posters, comics, or storyboards when you want to keep the exact same pose across different scenes. Next up is video generation, turning images into videos.
Upload a picture as your starting frame. You can even add an ending frame if you want smoother transitions. Type a prompt describing the movement. For example, a girl walks forward looking at the camera and smiling. Then, choose the camera motion, like symmetrical zoom or pan. Set the resolution and duration, then hit Generate. In just a few minutes, ToMoviee turns a still image into a smooth video. Perfect if you want a professional-looking clip without any complicated editing.
Honestly, in my opinion, the quality is just as good as Kling, even though this only needs a single photo. And on top of that, it's completely free. You can check out the video I posted earlier on this channel, where I walk you through how to use Kling AI, if you'd like to compare. I also tried Video 2.1 for a more cinematic look. The process is exactly the same. Upload an image and type your prompt. An alien slowly removes its hand from the flower and turns toward the camera with big, expressive eyes in a realistic and cinematic style. Then pick a camera movement. Dolly out, tracking shot, panorama, or low-angle lens. Whatever vibe you're going for. Set your resolution and duration, then hit Generate. In just a few minutes, you'll have a polished cinematic video. If the clip feels a bit short, use the Video Extend feature below. It stretches the video smoothly without having to start all over again.
Text to video. Here, you just need to type a scene description. For example, a motorcycle parked at the edge of the forest during sunset. Golden light streaming through the tree canopy, reflecting naturally on the bike's body, with birds chirping and leaves rustling. Add a camera movement like a dolly in, or any movement you like, for a cinematic zoom effect. Adjust the resolution, aspect ratio, and duration. Hit Generate, and ToMoviee will create a video directly from your text. How do you find the result? I'm really impressed with the video quality. With Video 2.1, the quality is even more detailed.
You can also create a character scene. I typed, a young woman in a stylish, elegant dress sitting on a sofa speaking with natural hand gestures. Choose a close-up camera angle and the result looks just like a real short film clip. After selecting the resolution, aspect ratio, and duration, simply hit Generate. ToMoviee will return a cinematic quality video. Finally, add sound effects with text to sound. Type a short description. For example, birds chirping and leaves rustling, relaxing and natural. Below, you'll find plenty of SFX themes like rain, wind, footsteps, laughter, applause, and more. You can set the sound length anywhere from a few seconds up to 45 seconds and even generate multiple versions at once. Hit Generate, and ToMoviee instantly creates the audio file. You can preview it, save it, or tweak your prompt and generate again. No need to hunt for stock sound effects. You can now create the exact sound you want in just a few seconds. And that's a wrap. With just a few simple steps, you now know how to use ToMoviee AI to create stunning images, turn text or photos into videos, and add custom sound effects all inside one single platform. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with even more breakthrough AI tools.